Hello students, welcome back in chemistry. Okay, we are discussing the electrochemistry. In last lecture, we have discussed about the resistivity. Resistivity means specific resistance. Conductance and specific conductance. Specific conductance means conductivity. Today, we discussed about cell constant. Cell means the electrolytic cell, in which the electrolysis or chemical redox reaction take place. There cell constant we will find, and that we related with the conductivity means specific conductance. And second is molar conductivity. Molar conductivity means lambda m symbolism. In this we discussed about what is the effect of concentration on cell constant. Okay, means if the concentration change, then what will be the molar conductivity is. So means concentration you have to consider. Concentration increases, then resistance increases or conductance decreases. So that we discuss one more. First, before going to this cell constant, particular cell is that cell is prepared by taking electrolytic solution and electrode. So resistance of this cell, okay, or conductance of the cell, resistance then inversely proportional to the length. So first we discuss about conductance. Okay, we discussed about conductance. The conductance means it is inverse of resistance. Suppose resistance is R, then this resistance R in terms of electricity first we discussed that it is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area of the wire. If proportionality we take it out, then we put the proportionality constant, then rho is equal to L by A. So this resistance is equal to rho L by A, where this rho is nothing but it is specific resistance. But we want to discuss the conductance, okay, conductivity. So we have rho is equal to conductance we measure in K or kappa. So rho is equal to 1 by K. This value where K is equal to what? Specific. K is equal to specific conductivity. Specific conductance, or short it is known as conductivity. This rho is related with resistance, so it is specific resistance, or it is known as resistivity. So this already we have discussed. Now this we apply over here. So R, that is known as resistance, is equal to, instead of rho we will write 1 by K into L by A. Now L by A, that is related with the cell, that is known as cell constant, that is G or G star, the cell constant. So instead of this we will write 1 by A into G or G star. Therefore G is equal to, or cell constant, the cell constant G is equal to R into K. Okay, K, that is known as conductivity into resistance. So in this way you can find the cell constant. Or in another way, if you want to find K, that is specific conductance or conductivity, then K is equal to G by R. Okay, K is equal to G by R. From this equation we can find specific conductance or conductivity. Again, G, that is cell constant, we can find by this, divided by R, that is resistance. Okay, resistance you can find with the help of the particular cell with the help of Wheatstone bridge. In physics you have studied Wheatstone bridge. From that we can find the resistance. Okay, R1 by R2 is equal to Rx by Ry. From that Wilson bridge we can find the resistance. You put in this equation, then you will find the kappa, that is known as what? Conductivity. Remember this, conductivity. Okay. Now we discuss molar conductivity. Molar conductivity lambda m is equal to specific conductivity, means kappa, divided by concentration. So if inverse here, you can say it is inversely proportional to concentration. If concentration is increases, then this molar conductivity decreases. So molar conductivity of the cell is equal to conductivity divided by concentration. Suppose concentration we measure in molarity m, then this equation change to this value. Okay? Molarity means what? Mole per liter. You convert into meter cube, then you multiply by 1000. So it is kappa divided by m. The m is a molarity multiplied. From this we can find the molar conductivity of the particular cell. Okay? By this method you can find the resistance from Wilson bridge. You put in cell constant, that is N by A, and find the kappa. If kappa is known, then you divide by concentration. Concentration is nothing but it is what? Molarity, where N is the molar. From that we can find the molar conductivity of the particular cell. Okay? Try to write this in your notebook and try to solve the sum. It is given in your text. Okay? Thank you.